Pollen, pollen everywhere. So much pollen, dude. So much pollen. Hey, what's up? I'm Tundra Kev. Thanks for watching. Let's check out these vehicles here at Toyota. All right, so this is the week after the tariffs have been announced for all vehicles that are not made in the U.S., as well as vehicles that are or auto parts for vehicles that are made in the U.S. Or should I say auto parts and vehicles. And obviously that's going to affect Toyota. Let's take a look and see if it's already affecting Toyota. But what I really came here for was to check out the 4Runner. We got another 4Runner here at Haley Toyota. This is going to be an SR5. Haven't seen anything as far as off-roads or limiteds or anything like that yet, so we're just kind of getting in a slew of off-road, or excuse me, we're getting in some SR5s, which is not surprising. When I see older 4Runners around the neighborhood, around the city, a lot of time they're SR5s, and SR5s obviously being the less expensive version of the 4Runner is going to be the more popular one because these are expensive vehicles. But here we have an underground SR5. You can see that great underground color with the black fenders. You got your tow hook stuff. You got some letter inserts in there that looks kind of like a magnetic gray. The Toyota badge there, black 4Runner badge. This bad boy is covered in pollen, as is going to be the case for about the next month. And this one is obviously sold, because these things are going to go quick. I think they're going to be very popular. You've got a cloth interior right here. This cloth interior looks better than the cloth interior for the Tacomas, I think. That dark black, gray type of cloth that they have in the Tacomas, I really don't like. And the Tundras as well. There you've got the Toyota badge, blacked out. Got the front end here with your fog lights in there, grill. Nothing too crazy on a SR5, of course. Yokohama wheels. And it's good looking. You know, I really like the way previous 4Runners look. I think the last gen version is my favorite 4Runner as far as the body style, but I really do like these new ones, and I thought they were going to feel like they were a mid-size or a smaller mid-size SUV, but they really, once you see them in person, you're like, okay, this is a good-sized vehicle. It is a mid-size SUV, but it's not on the level of maybe like, it's not a Highlander. It's bigger than a Highlander. It's a little bit bigger, I think, than a Grand Highlander as well. Of course, you got handles blacked out. Got a lot of black accents, which all kind of blends into this overall look with the underground color. It's not too bright out here because we got the clouds out. Underground's a great color. Love the way they did the windows here in the back. How that kind of curves over onto the roof. Got some roof rails up there. Another look inside here. Yeah, I really like this cloth seat. It's got the smaller screen, no big deal. And you know, if you've seen a Tundra, if you've seen a Tacoma, this interior looks pretty familiar with the dial and the little hand part there and the shifter. I'll just read it for you. How about that? This one's $44,818. There you go. What do you think about the 4Runner? If you're a 4Runner fan, can you see yourself getting one of these new ones? Is the fact that the V6 gone, is that a deal breaker for you? I think you at least got to come out and test drive it and see for yourself. Jeff Westcott seems to really love his 4Runner that they have out there. TRD John seems to really love the 4Runner. And I'm thinking right now, and I know it's the new thing, so that's part of it, but I think if I had a choice between the Tacoma and the 4Runner, I think I might would get the 4Runner. Yep. throw me a like if you think this looks good. Last week we did the white SR5. Which one do you like better, the white one or the underground? Let's see if they got any other ones out here. Either way, thanks for watching. If you hit that subscribe button, I'll be your friend forever. Thanks so much, and I'm out.